Welcome to this video from DVW Analytics. Today we are looking at the Year-to-Date KPI Workflow, part of the Alteryx SAP Office of Finance Starter Pack. Good controls require timely, accurate and easy to visualize information. This workflow builds on the standard Alteryx Starter Pack by taking general ledger line items for doubtful debtors directly from the SAP system and displaying their monthly movements for each company code. Our starting point is the GL line items report within SAP. The DVW Alteryx connector for SAP gives you fast, secure and reliable connectivity directly into your SAP system. It lets you call transaction codes to leverage inbuilt SAP business logic in the same way as if you were logged on to SAP through the GUI. Our connector gives you the freedom and control to choose your filter and output fields. A sample preview shows how the inbuilt intelligence helps us to mark header fields and specify which fields to ignore. I can also choose to add the company code value as an extra output field for easy downstream analysis within Alteryx. The confirmed layout will automatically be applied on every subsequent run of the workflow. I can easily choose which fields to exclude from the output so that we only pull the data from SAP that we really need. When I run the workflow, Alteryx extracts the data from SAP and the standard tools apply clear, consistent rules to link the data to our owner's input and calculate the monthly totals. Finally, we output the result as year-to-date totals, a monthly summary table and a chart. We can go further and write this data out to visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau using the Alteryx tools, or even write back to an SAP BW system using the DVW write tools. The DVW Alteryx connector for SAP helps extend the broad capability of Alteryx by providing effective, secure, multi-step access to your SAP data, allowing you to easily reconcile data from across the whole enterprise. If you like what you see here, head over to the Alteryx Community Gallery, where you can download this workflow and others from the Alteryx SAP Office of Finance collection.